Hello everyone, welcome back to Moments by Sabi. Today I just stopped by Target and I found this super cute mini camera from Canal Toys. They have bunch of different colors and styles, and this one is a bi-color design, and it's a real mini camera that you can use to take both photos and videos. So I picked up the blue one for just 19.99. So let's unbox it together and check it out, how it looks, what feature it has, and how the photos turn out. So let's get started. So today I'm reviewing this adorable little camera from Canal Toys. It's a cute ocean blue color and it comes with a keychain attachment. So you can easily hook into your bag, and the power button is right on top. And the bottom we have a SD card and charger. The power button is right on the top and it plays a sound and it says photo creator. And it includes a 512 MB SD card plus a USB charging port. Once you power it on, you have got a camera and video button for recording and taking pictures. And if you want to view your shots, you just press and hold the power button to access the gallery. The camera also has a side button that lets you scroll through filters, and you can change the language and in the menu too. Again, press the camera button for record. As it can record at to 1080p. And again, press the button, it converts to camera. So press the scroll button, you'll come into the language. It has many options, whichever options you would like to choose. Then it has a photo resolution. You have got options like 3MP, 2MP, 1MP, and VGA. And the video resolution option goes up to 1080p. And you can also adjust the brightness for outdoor use, and it even lets you add a date stamp to your photos. Overall, I do like this camera. It's fun and compact, but I have to say it doesn't quite compare to the Kodak Charmera. For just a few dollars more, I would definitely go with the Charmera. It's more reliable, higher quality option. This one more of a toy camera, cute but not for the serious photography. So that's it for today. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And in the meanwhile, check check out the images which I have shot with this camera. Thanks for watching.